Data center growth is reshaping electricity demand faster than grids were designed to adapt. Planners need to understand system headroom now. How much new load a power system can reliably integrate using existing assets. Headroom has many drivers. It depends on uncertainty, operational constraints, where load connects, and data center flexibility. EPRI created the Flex Mosaic classification system to develop a common language for the industry that describes how flexible data centers can support various power grid requirements. Now, the Headroom framework provides the steps a system planner can follow to assess how much headroom there is and how much may be unlocked by flexible data centers through Flex Mosaic. The framework is based on the drivers of headroom, the realities of power system operations, and how flexible data centers may be. The assessment begins with probabilistic resource adequacy modeling, testing how much load the system can add across many weather, outage, demand, and other key risk scenarios. As flexible data centers are introduced, even limited flexibility can unlock additional headroom under stressed grid conditions. Next, hourly nodal simulations add generator constraints and transmission limits, revealing how unit commitment and congestion shape usable headroom. Sub-hourly modeling captures fast ramps and operational realities, showing how highly responsive data centers can further support the grid. Finally, power flow simulations test locational and transmission reliability, checking thermal limits, voltage performance, and contingency conditions. This step shows not just how much headroom exists, but where it can actually be used. Together, these steps provide the most operationally and locationally realistic view of system headroom. The more flexible the data center, the more headroom the system can unlock, while keeping reliability and affordability intact. In the second half of 2026, EPRI will demonstrate the framework through real-world case studies and industry workshops to learn from practitioners. Together, we can unlock system headroom to integrate large loads smarter and faster.